Good day everyone, I'm Tim Segura from Toyota Abad Santos and today gagawa tayo ng full in-depth review nitong 2024 Toyota Wigo 1.0 G CVT variant. If you're considering a first car or naghahanap ka lang ng more affordable na alternative, itong Wigo is bagay na bagay din talaga para sa'yo. Lalo na sa mga young professional or starting a family or newlywed na couple. Itong Wigo is available to in 3 different variants. Merong J na manual transmission, yun yung entry level natin. E-CVT, entry level natin sa automatic. And itong sa harapan nyo, yung top of the line, which is yung G-CVT. And ang SRP nito is 729,000 pesos. And itong G is available to in 5 different colors. Merong gray metallic, red mica metallic, orange metallic, yellow, and itong sa harapan nyo is yung silver metallic. Yung engine ng Wigo is 1 liter, inline 3-cylinder, 12 valves, double overhead cam with VVT. And it produces 67 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 89 Newton meters of torque at 4,400 RPM. And yung fuel type niya is gasoline and yung fuel tank capacity niya is 36 liters. Yung headlight ng Wigo natin is split type LED. Meron siyang clearance light sa taas. And yung fog lights natin is illumination na LED. Tapos mas naging sharp din yung itsura ng headlight niya. Mas gusto ko rin yung design nitong bumper niya compared to its previous model. And mas malaki din yung grill niya for better cooling and matte black siya and may chrome dun sa top portion. Meron na rin tayong repeaters dito sa side mirrors. Yung tire size niya is 175 by 65 R14. So naka 14 inches na alloy wheel siya and yung brake niya dito sa harap is ventilated disc with ABS and yung suspension niya is MacPherson strut. Naka drum brake naman siya dito sa likod and yung suspension niya is torsion beam. Naka pole type na antena tayo and meron siyang maliit na spoiler. Tapos meron din tayong rear wiper. Wala lang siyang rear defogger. Tapos meron tayong 2-eye na reverse sensor and dyan din located yung reverse camera. Yung rear combination lamp natin is halogen pa rin siya. Meron na rin siyang tonneau cover kapag binuksan mo yung tailgate niya. Yan, nakasabit lang siya kaya siya nakataas. Then ganito naman siya kapag hindi na siya nakasabit. Pag may importanteng gamit ka, matatakpan siya dahil sa tonneau cover. Tapos yung space saver natin na tire reserve, dito siya located sa ilalim ng compartment. Ayan. Dito naman tayo sa second row niya. Itong rear seat natin is fabric siya with white stitching. Then meron siyang dome light dito sa gitna and yung headliner natin is gray. Which for me, it adds more premium feel kasi kapag black, more on the sporty side na siya. Doon naman tayo sa harapan. Dito sa driver side, andito yung ating power window. Window lock, door lock, and yung side mirror control natin. Power adjust yung side mirror natin. Naka-fabric seat pa rin tayo dito sa harap. And the good thing about this model is meron na siyang height adjuster. Sa previous model kasi natin wala pa tayong height adjuster. Ngayon nilagyan na nila. Then meron ding recliner. Dito sa left side meron tayong aircon vent with silver accents. Tapos yung traction control button natin nasa ilalim. Then ito naman yung instrument panel natin, which for me napakadali niyang intindihin kasi analog siya and very informative naman. Andyan yung tachometer natin, speedometer, battery indicator natin, handbrake, lahat nandyan. Fuel indicator, gear mo nasa right, may clock, total mileage or yung odometer natin, andyan. So napakadali niyang intindihin. Very simple yung design. Naka-electronic power steering wheel tayo and meron ding radio controls dito sa steering wheel and hands-free telephone. Sa left side ng steering wheel yung headlight controls natin, then dito sa right side is yung ating wiper controls. Naka 8-inch na display audio tayo with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So, kailangan mo lang ng wire para ma-access mo yung Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Naka-push start and stop na rin pala tong Wigo G natin. And andito yung air condition controls natin. Digital yung air condition controls natin. Andyan yung fan speed, temperature, AC off, AC on, max cool, and yung recycler. Tapos dito sa baba may 12 volts na power outlet tayo, storage dito, and dalawang cup holder or bottle holder. Then mas gusto ko tong shift knob natin compared to previous model dahil may cover na siya and leather din yung cover niya. Yung handbrake natin is cable type and meron pa siyang storage dun sa likod and sa gilid. I hope nakatulong sa inyo itong video na to. And kung nagustuhan yung aking video, please do like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga future uploads ko about Toyota. For more inquiries, test drive, unit viewing, and kung buying kayo ng any Toyota units, i-message or call nyo lang ako sa number na naka-flash dyan sa screen. So yun lang po, stay safe and goodbye.